With the front back brake pads and discs, well, you really need to be careful. If you don't change the brake pads on time, you cause an extra wear on the front disc, causing a lip, and that lip then rubs against the brake pads and causes a squeaking noise. Very annoying all the time. And your brake pads wear out quicker as well. So please change your pads and discs on regular intervals as you need them. Prius, very annoyingly, don't have any parking brake pad sensors, which can tell you that, look, when the pads are out. So on your regular service, they should really check your brake pads and discs. It's got this massive lip for the wear and tear, and that lip rubs against the brake pad and causing a very annoying squeaky sound, which is very unbearable, especially if you work at night time. So we're going to change the front pads and the discs on this Toyota Prius 2016 today. Also completely gone, and that normally happens when the caliper carrier seizes. It causes to break this to stay on at all times, and that leads to this, where total mess of this rear brake disc. So we're going to replace all 4 discs and pads all around this vehicle today.